एक आप डिनायल से भी निकलते हैं ना, अपने आप को जितने साल आपने एक चीज़ को बिल्ड करने में गुजारे हैं, उससे आप अपने आप को टेयर अवे करना
बहुत मुश्किल होता है।
या बहुत मुश्किल होता है। तो दैट टाइम आई टुक टू stabilize my inner self, become a little more emotionally strong, and then also my family, my parents, my brothers were like, क्या कर रही हो भाई? किसी को कुछ पता नहीं था, by the way. No one knew about the chaos inside, because I think I was just trying to hold a front कि सब सही हो जाएगा, it'll be okay, it'll be okay, just move through it. But my brother, everybody was just like, what's going on? What you know, like, just figure a way out. Don't be taken for a ride. Everyone felt like I was being taken for a ride and all that. So go and either fix this, conclude this, figure it out. You have a child, साथ ले के घूम रही हो, उसका भी तो सोचो ये वो. Anyway, so then I took some time. Then I came back. And then, just tug. Then all the major decisions, legal decisions, and just foresight, what I wanted, what I did not want, what I wanted for my child, and listening to my child also, watching her, figuring her out. So then came the clarity. And then my parents just kind of stood by my side. उनको नहीं पता था क्या करना है. They were going through their own emotions.
Of course,
because वो होता ना कि आइसबर्ग वाला जो analogy है कि आइसबर्ग नज़र आता है लेकिन नीचे इतना कुछ हो चुका होता है. तो किसी को नीचे इतना कुछ होने का पता नहीं था, एहसास भी नहीं था. तो they only saw the iceberg. So they had to go through their process of being like, okay, I'm not going through a huge transition here. Let's see what we can do. So they were just pillars. And then I had the foresight. And one clarity I had was that, look, I can only thrive when my home base is intact. Okay. And I know that my child also can only thrive if my home base is intact. And I have to remove myself to think rationally, okay, I have to create a home base. And my baby is so little that I can build it for her in a way that she best deserves, right? So then I just involved my family, and that's how my new chapter started. I started
and
a
then
new
you moved
life,
to Dubai.
And I moved to Dubai.
So आपको लग रहा था आप यहाँ पे वही चीज़ नहीं कर सकती, और मतलब कभी-कभी मैं सोचती हूँ जब इंसान इतनी चीज़ों से गुजरे तो yes, starting new somewhere else. I think it's also very relieving and soothing.
It is.
It gives you the center. जो center आपका निकल जाए तो वो आता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
बिल्कुल आप.
Because यहाँ तो हर चीज़ आपको वही चीज़ें याद करा रही है, वही चीज़ें face करें, questions आप आ रहे हैं. Is that the reason?
Yeah, it's so easy if you stay in the same environment. You have triggers all around you.
और आप उस toxicity से नहीं निकल पाते जो आपकी अपनी इर्द गिर्द है आपकी situation की वजह से. बट आपकी एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत जो मुझे हिट करी was like, and I think a lot of women forget about that, is that अगर आप खुद सही नहीं है, जो you said ना कि मुझे अपनी बच्ची के लिए सही होना है, clarity चाहिए, वो clarity में time लगा, but it was building up. That अगर आप खुद सही हो, अपना खुद कर लें, तो only then you can take care of anybody around you, be it your parents, be it your husband, sister, brother, और बच्चे जिस situation में भी आप हैं.
वही oxygen mask वाली analogy. बिल्कुल यही है. आप regulated होंगे तो आपका बच्चा regulated होगा. It's just a reflection. They feed off you. So that came to me that was very clear to me.
So you started working there, या बस?
No, I moved, I remarried, alhamdulillah.
Belated Mubarak uski, after you have a son also.
I have a son now.
I just feel like saying that.
Yes.
Because when that happens, I feel, I don't know if you can realize it, but Amna, I feel like all the people who are looking, it gives them hope.
Yes.
Especially the women who have gone through something like what you have.
I realized that too.
They were like, okay, if this can happen to her, वो दोबारा खुश रह सकती हैं, यू नो, हैव अ फैमिली अगेन. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी समटाइम्स इवन टॉक अबाउट इट, बिकॉज आई जस्ट फील आप इतना नेगेटिव अपने आसपास देखते हैं, जिंदगी में हर दूसरे दिन एक मसला खड़ा है, तो ये पॉजिटिव स्टोरीज आपको बड़ी होप देती हैं.
एंड आई कांट टेल यू, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि आई मीन यही वाली बात कि I would get so many DMs and messages.
I know, I'm sure. जब आपकी वो पिक्चर मुझे अभी तक याद है, वो आपकी I think निकाह की पिक्चर थी, white कपड़ों में. Your daughter was also there. Such a beautiful picture, you know.
And the funny thing is कि you know वो जो मैंने gap लिया, I was pretty inactive online and मतलब I was quite silent.
Yeah.
Because everything
and that was a surprise suddenly
no, but you know? Because all of my energy was being used in creating this foundation and being with my child and like this new marriage and all of that. So our lives were very full. तो उसमें जगह भी नहीं है कि आप उन चीज़ों में इंडल्ज करें फिर से. But what I'm trying to say is कि उस चुप में भी I felt कि the whole world around me, the world that I was coming from, knew exactly what I had gone through without me saying a word. And that was quite, it moved me a lot. It still gives me goosebumps. कि जो मुझे DMs, जो मुझे messages, saying things to me without me even saying anything. And everybody just seems to get it.
But that's so heartwarming, right?
It's very heartwarming.
It's such a big blessing from Allah.
It's a big blessing. It's a big blessing. और वो अल्लाह मियाँ की तरफ से I really felt ये पूरी मेरा ये जो crossroads आया life में, it was Allah मियाँ taking me out of a muddy puddle and putting me in rainbow and sunshine. And not without its share of challenges, but
of course,
but I couldn't see that light till I stepped away, made myself step away from the situation.
ये मुझे लगता है बहुत important बात है, क्योंकि आप अगर किसी एक चीज़ में फंसे रहे ना तो फिर आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. And you took the decision to cut that round circle off. But is it easy? इतनी challenging situation से आप गुजरे तो दिल में fears होते हैं, आप दुख से गुजर रहे होते हैं, आप insecurities होती हैं. Is it easy to trust someone again or fall in love with someone again?
Man, it totally depends on that someone.
Okay.
It totally depends on that someone. And for me, the most important thing was my child. So जब मुझे I got the green signal from Misa, and I was just like, wow. दूसरी बात ये कि जब you see previously I called the shots for you know who I fell for, who am I going to marry and all of that. It was very much like, oh, you know, अम्मी ये है, you know, वो वाली बात. लेकिन second time round it was more my parents' involvement, and I think अगर मैं अब्बा को chance पहले दे देती ना, तो उन्होंने इसी तरह का बंदा मेरे सामने ला के रखना था कि बेटा दिस ये है मैच. So you know, so there's something to say about that.
कि parents
की involvement और parents का राजी होना, because they raised you and they know कि क्या values आप में instill की गई हैं. And I'm not saying कि आप वो होते हुए भी things can go wrong, right?
किसी चीज़ की
गारंटी नहीं है, but it does play a big part in especially when you start a family of your own. तो बस ये है. तो second time round में that played a key role कि
वो कितने खुश होंगे.
हाँ, तो वो arrangement कुछ ऐसी थी that everyone wholeheartedly felt कि this is the right move. This is the right time, because अभी आपकी बेटी की slate भी clean है, she knows nothing else, and you know, it's just a good time to start a journey.
अच्छा आपने बोलना शुरू किया ना कि पहले तो मैं थी सब वो तो और फिर second पे so I was thinking you'll take your daughter's name then now she's calling the shots which is because she's also determining a lot of things in your life.
But
so
she
I
was
was
such
like
a baby at that time.
you know उसने हाँ बोली है तो फिर मैं ये करूँगी उसने हाँ बोली है तो मैं ये करूँगी.
नहीं वो इतनी छोटी थी
Yeah.
लेकिन just the way she was handled and how things came together.
वो रजामंदी हुई ना उसकी. अच्छा now tell me how do you look at love